It is a great pleasure to present my ideas on Blue Seas matter. My idea is to eliminate single-use aluminum cans and plastic bottles from the ships. Bernard Schulte Ship Management has succeeded in several initiatives to reduce environmental pollution. With the installation of soda dispensers, beer dispensers, and water fountains, we have another opportunity for eradicating waste generated from single-use cans and plastic bottles. Piles of garbage have been polluting our environment. Plastic bottles and aluminum cans are one of the major contributors to this pollution. They cause pollution in air, water, and land during the manufacture, recycling, and disposal. The printing inks, labels, and refining chemicals present on them have a major impact on land and water poisoning. With the installation of soda and beer dispensers, we will be able to eliminate 1,200 aluminum cans in a month in a ship and 500 plastic bottles in a month in a ship. Looking at an aggregate for all the vessels under BSM, in a year we will be able to eradicate 8.6 million aluminum cans and 3.6 million plastic bottles from the vessels. With the installation of water fountains, we will be able to provide clean drinking water free of cost for the crew, which will be saving a minimum of $200 per contract per crew. Installation of these dispensers and fountains will be cost effective to both the company and the crew. Office will be relieved of their burden of purchasing and supplying bonded items at each port. Crew will be able to get their soda, water, and beers at even a very cheaper rate. A token system may be used to keep the consumption of alcohol in check. We will also be able to reduce the workload on board ship staff involving receiving of these stores, stowing of these stores, segregation, compression and compaction, disposal of the wastes generated. This will also be saving on the cost incurred to the company for disposal of the same. And most importantly, this will be encouraging social gathering of the crew, improve the morale and interpersonal relationship, which has been fading among the crew recent times, as these dispensers will be installed in single locations where people will have to come and get together. We, the BSM family, will initiate and influence shipping industry in eradicating single-use cans and plastic bottles from our ships. Thank you.